Moving on now, Singaporeans who are keen to join the hospitality industry, they can now get specialised training. Applicants can be of any age and any background. Meanwhile, technology is also being increasingly used in the sector. Daphne Ang with more.
This mechanical sling shaker at Raffles Hotel's Long Bar makes 18 Singapore sling cocktails at one go. Each Singapore sling now takes 5 minutes faster to make, so 115 man-hours saved a month. That means more time can be spent on human interaction, which still takes precedence in the service industry.
Being in the service industry, that the element of the heart, the element of passion that you can only show through human service, I don't think that digital technology could ever replace that. Creativity as well could not ever be replaced by digital technologies.
That's where specialised training comes in. Singaporeans will soon be able to get specialised training for jobs in the hospitality industry, ranging from front-end ones to back-end ones in services processing. The new program, called the Hospitality Employability Enhancement Program, begins early next year. Anyone ranging from students to mid-entrants and seniors keen to join the industry can sign up for the program.
Through this program, the Hotel Association will work with the training providers to conduct the training for these Singaporeans who are interested to explore the job opportunities in hospitality. And with the right skills, they can then be placed into jobs in the industry.
Mr. Shi adds the hotel sector can provide many different jobs to Singaporeans. The program is an initiative by the Singapore Hotels Association and Singapore Tourism Board.